everyone. So here I am with my new video on a very important topic, that is teletherapy. Myself Dr. Arzu, and I'm a child development specialist, founder and director Tickles. In teletherapy sessions, therapy sessions are conducted by using a high quality live video call where child, therapist and parents can see, hear and interact with each other in a real-time situations. I do get many queries from the parents like how these teletherapy sessions are possible for very young children who may not be able to interact with the therapist on the camera or onto the video screen. And if my child has development delay, like if child is not able to speak and there is no reciprocal communication, so how is it even possible to have teletherapy sessions? And is it effective for my child? In this video, I will be sharing the tips like how these teletherapy sessions can be conducted and how we can actually include the creativity to make these teletherapy sessions more effective for the child. Teletherapy is not only restricted to sitting in front of the screen and following the commands. Teletherapy sessions can be done as per child's profile and child's age, and these therapy sessions are planned in advance depending on child's challenges. For very young children who receive early intervention services, parent guided teletherapy program is given where parents are instructed and directed step by step how to handle the child in a particular position to facilitate the particular muscles. Therapist can demonstrate the activities to the parents by modeling the activity or by having a description of those activities where parents can follow that activity. In occupational therapy or sensory integration therapy sessions, you do not need to have those heavy and fancy equipments which we have in the clinics, because many times we do get query like I may not have that stuff which you use in your clinics. So for example, you can use pillows, cushions, different size stool, plastic or the wooden one. Chairs, you can use the small chair and the dining chair, and these can be used for the obstacle course, which helps children to improve their balance and coordination, their motor planning and problem solving. Children who are unable to connect with the online mode or maybe it's difficult for them to follow instructions, parents becomes the co-therapist, or you can say they are like our co-partners into the activities. In the session, if we need to increase or decrease the challenge depending on child's performance, that can be done by therapist, and parents can be instructed what exactly feedback they can give to the child. If you're working on the language and communication therapy for the child, you can use real objects which we use in the house, and you can have visit to the kitchen or visit to the washroom to help the child to learn into the real environment with the real objects. Goal making and planning is very important in these therapy sessions, and try to make it fun for the child as well as for the parents also. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you still have some queries, you can write an email or maybe you can ask your questions in the comment box. Thank you so much.